Day. DA license 104611.
Call 412 Doctors 7 a.m. to 11 a.m. Monday through Friday to schedule your same-day specialty and primary care appointments from Allegheny Health Network.
It matters. It's on KDKA Radio.
The merger of 188 parishes in the Catholic Diocese of Pittsburgh into 57 also involves moving most of the diocese's priests. Joe Destino reports.
Bishop David Zubik tells KDKA Radio moving priests was one of his hardest tasks.
You know, not every priest has all the same kind of talents, and I want to be able to make sure that I can match those with the needs of the people.
Get a link to all of the changes at kdkaradio.com.
Your city, your station. News Radio 1020 KDKA. From the Chapin Luhana Law Firm Studios, this is the voice of Pittsburgh. Views from KDKA.
CBS News update. North Korea's news agency says leader Kim Jong-un has expressed what it calls his fixed will to hold a summit next month with President Trump, despite Mr. Trump's decision to cancel it. That word comes after Kim met again with the president of South Korea, reporter Dawn Kirks in Seoul.
South Korea's President Moon Jae-in would not have been embracing Kim Jong-un quite so warmly if he felt that there were not real approval on Kim Jong-un's part, real understanding of the need to meet President Trump.
CBS News contributor Isaac Stonefish is a senior fellow at the Asia Society. He says South Korea's president really wants a Trump-Kim summit.
You got to hand it to President Moon. He's really working really hard and expending a lot of his political capital to try to get this meeting back on track.
Mr. Trump has expressed hope a summit will be held. That's despite his previous announcement of a cancellation. But he's also demanding that North Korea give up its nuclear program, which it doesn't seem willing to do. CBS News Update. I'm Sam Litzinger.
We know saving money is important to you. With Rite Aid's Wellness Plus rewards, you get savings on top of savings. Get big values from our circular on things you buy today, plus Wellness Plus bonus cash you earn and then use on things you need tomorrow. Get 3 Pepsi Product 12-packs for just $9.99 with an additional $1 in Wellness Plus bonus cash, plus 2-day doorbuster savings on Sunday and Monday of Memorial Day weekend. Save big at Rite Aid when you buy, earn, and use your Wellness Plus bonus cash. Wellness Plus card required. Offer valid through May 26th. See RiteAid.com for details.
There's a reason why Rivers Casino Pittsburgh is your place to play table games. We're made for action with so many tables featuring blackjack, poker, baccarat, roulette, craps, spy-gal, and more. Your favorite game is always available, whether you're looking to play solo or with friends. Bet big or play small, go pro or learn the ropes. Our action-packed tables are always open and ready for you at Rivers Casino Pittsburgh.